Tonight it's about 5 a.m. I'm going to start a vlog. I'm going to Adventureland today. I was planning on going later this year, but since Silver Timbers is closed, I'm like, I still need to make Outlaw Run my 100th. So I decided to go to Adventureland early, get the credits there, and hopefully can still make Outlaw my 100th. So it's about a 5-hour drive, roughly the same distance as is the Six Flags St. Louis. So yes, you'll next see me when I get out of the park or a little later. Yo, check it, I'm in Cedar Point, yo. Cedar Point, Illinois, that is. Population 300. It's some farm town, a couple miles off of I-80. Figured I'd do a quick 15-minute adventure to Cedar Point.
Let's go, in and out, 20 minutes adventure.
Phoenix spinning coaster here. Not bad at all. Now I'm headed to the underground because I want to get the CCIs done with. The underground needs rider minimum, apparently. So it's not running right now. There's not enough people. So I'm heading to the Outlaw instead. This monster is so good. That is in my top 15 for sure now. I also did the underground. I don't know what that ride was, but I kind of liked it. Probably worth CCI because it's not technically a coaster, but I count it. Now I'm about to do Dragon Slayer, the SNS 43 spin. I do not really like them, but it's a credit. I'll probably just marathon Monster after this. Okay, so I did Monster a couple times. It's really good no matter where you sit. And I just went back to my car to get my microphone for my camera so I can film some off-ride stuff. And I'll probably do that the rest of the day, and then maybe try and squeeze in a Monster ride. And the person that wanted picnic tables, I saw was a vlogger, but the reason I'm kinda, because that's kinda true. Not really though. Alright, I'll conclude my day here at Adventureland. It's a rather charming park. Monster is really good. Rather enjoyed it. Outlaw's also pretty good. After this, I'm going to go to that one random credit in Quad Cities, and head home. I'll probably vlog a little bit there if I can. If I can't, I won't.